Milo always dreamed of saving lives. A small orange tabby with big eyes, and a heart even bigger. He worked harder than anyone. Scholarships, night shifts, even slept in the library. He made it to his final year of med school. But the day before his final exams, police came. Not for him, but for what his parents did long ago. They took away his scholarship. Said a cat with a family like that couldn't be trusted with lives. But Milo didn't stop. Today, he's not a doctor with a license. He's the doctor on the street, patching wounds, saving lives, proving love heals more than hate ever could.